in there, okay?
Wow, that's all right.
That's hilarious. I want its mouth wide open. Let's still got some more. Here. Here, let me take. And he got a black one. He likes them. He's eating the decoration.
Like the black
Here,
one?
baby. Pour the rest of them in here. There you go. No, pour them in here. Very good.
Good job.
Okay, it's Miss Adeline's turn.
Yeah, when you're finished, I'll let you say them all.
Here we go. Your turn.
Your peeps are not that big.
I couldn't remember how many bags I got.
Okay there, Biggin.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna let you do something else because we're not gonna need no more jelly beans. We got actually too many.
Yep.
So let's take a few of them out and y'all can eat them. If it's okay. Okay, just get you some. Here, Peyton.
Grammy's gonna be clear.
Oh well. Yeah.
Is it hard?
Hey, be careful of scissors.
Look. I got one too.
Grandma?
Okay. Woo! We don't want to stab our peeps. Peeps. Look. Here's your jelly beans. We gotta get some more.
Yum, 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 yum.
Peyton. Smile. Smile.
Alright. Now we gotta do
Hey,
our
Adeline, show Peyton how to smile.
peeps. You can smile. Okay, now.
Peyton. Now you
Now Haley. She's wanting you to smile.
smile.
Smile. Okay, here's what we do to their peeps. Peeps. Let's see. Let me just take a rope. Alright, Adeline. We gotta put them right down there, okay? And push them down in there. Can you do it? Here you go. Oops. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Now it's Peyton's turn. Yeah. You gonna stick yours right here?
How about the rest of them?
Well, you're gonna need a couple of more, I know.
Okay, I'll do it.
Okay, you
Got
do.
it.
It's not gonna take them all though, so let's take. Well, let's see if this is enough. And that leaves one apiece for y'all to eat. Here you go. Y'all work so hard. Y'all get to eat peeps. Now then, if we had some flowers, we could finish it, but we don't. And I should have looked at Walmart and seen how much their tulips were. I think they were like $4 or something the last time. Those peeps good?
No, they're not.
Alan, who painted your fingernails?
Aren't they pretty?
Mm.
Oops, I think those peeps flew down too far.
Mom, my mommy did them.
Your mommy did them.
Look what y'all did. Y'all made the cutest thing. No. Those peeps aren't to eat. We'll get you some peeps to eat. You made a blue one. We'll have to fix Miss Adeline one. I bet Miss Haley will fix one for Adeline at her house. Whoops. No, I don't like that. Oh, my peeps are sinking. I'm going to put some more jelly beans down here.
Are you want that piece? If you don't, just throw it in the garbage.
Mine.
Whoops.
Mine. Yeah.
box?
He does.
Okay. Y'all ready to go play now?
Yeah.
You want any more of your Pete? No, but I'll take that black jelly bean. Uh-oh. Let me wash your hands, Pete.
You can't wash my hands.
Are you ready to jump?
Okay. Are
What
they
you got in the mouth?
sticky? Sure you don't want me to wipe them?
Hands are sticky.
Here, let's give it to Grandbubba and let me wash your hands so you can get out and play with Adeline. Oh, black and stink.
Okay, let me turn it off. Okay.